What's good, YouTube? I'm back at y'all with an amazing video today. Today, as y'all know, if you live in Michigan, we got probably one of the biggest snowstorms that's coming ahead of us. Bro, I don't know if y'all hear that, but it's like a ringing noise. I'm at the gas station. I'm over here switching the topic, but look, outside we got the biggest snowstorm Michigan ever had. We're supposed to get 12 to 15 inches of snow. And y'all best believe I'm still driving my Scatpack. I don't care what nobody say. I still wash all the salt off after the snow. But yeah, we about to jump straight into this banger langer. We about to get some gas real quick, and then y'all just come with me the whole day. I ain't about to explain everything I'm about to do, but it's gonna be lit. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get some gas right now. But this what it's looking like outside. It's supposed to snow for the next 2 days, and it just started, and y'all can already see how it looks. And then y'all got Scatty Daddy. I'm driving her in the snow. I'm crazy. If I had like another beater car, like another fast beater car that was fun, I wouldn't even be driving this car for real. But y'all see, I got the new tires on there. They holding up alright for real. And then other than that burnout I did the other day. But yeah, we cooling right now. Bitch on pump yet? Y'all know I be putting that little weak 20 in my car. Here go this ringing noise again, bro. That thing's so loud. Pretty green. See, look. Got full control still. He over there shoveling the snow. That's about to be me later. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a cool little second. I'll be right back. Look at this big open parking spot.
Really? Really?
Oh.
Really? With donuts.
I forgot bitch don't go slow when it's
snow. It's not ice, it's snow.
Y'all, look, we had came in the house. I was like, hey, my other auntie over here, she cleaning. And then I look down, and then the Roomba over here making vacuum noises. That joke was funny, bro. But we at my auntie house right now. And then we probably finna leave and go get some foodie on us. And then we also probably about to do some donuts. But I already tried doing donuts and wasn't going nowhere because it was just getting stuck. But hopefully that doesn't happen. Or that doesn't work out. But y'all look at snow right now. If it focus good, we supposed to get 15 inches, up to 15 inches. But y'all look at the Roomba. Y'all, so look, we at the school right now. He over there shoveling. My sister about to record me real quick. But look, this is all you gotta do. Just follow the car like this. And I'm about to go around you.
Is it on?
Yeah. Yo, this just slides so small. You gonna do it, Alyssa?
Yes. It got wings. The car got wings, dog. Look at them wheels. This is the guy that was driving. Bro. I'm doing donuts standing here.
And all you gotta do is turn the wheel and tap the gas. Don't hold it down, just tap it. And don't tap it all the way hard, just tap it like light. Just do it slow until you know what you're doing. You gotta tap it a little bit hard. Alright, now let off of it. You gotta tap it. Tap it. And then keep turning the wheel. Oh look, my sister's sliding. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn it and hit the gas hard. Alright, I'm about to let Raina do it. Hit it a little bit harder. Yeah, boy. That girl's sliding. Raina, roll this window down. Keep going.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, Doc? Ooh.
So I can actually
Raina, actually slide it. Turn the other wheel. You gotta turn it the other way. You gotta turn it the other way. That's why you spun out. Dang, it's so cold. Now turn it the other way. Turn the other way. Now turn it back. Ah! Right now, you don't know how to do it. Look, once you turn the other way, when you feel like it's about to spin out, then you gotta turn it the other way.
Why?
But you gotta straighten it out. Watch out for this car first. Now turn it right, turn it right. Now keep hitting the gas, now turn it left, turn it left. Turn it right, turn it right. Now turn it left. Turn it right. You get it? I almost failed, y'all.
Yeah, alright, so.
Alright, y'all, so we just got to Buffalo Wild
Excuse me. Alright, so now we're. I will do it, I'll do it. Alright, so now we all at Buffalo Wild Wings. We just wanted a nice little snacky snack. A nice little snacky snack. But this is how we park Scatty Daddy. Like that's how all the other cars parked, and this is us.
That's what we're doing right now. We just getting some food at Buffalo Wild Wings. Cause we was all hungry.
Didn't I just say that?
But yeah.
We're at table 85.
Oh yeah.
They got 85 tables.
But I hope y'all like the footage of everybody spinning my cart. My sister spun my cart and my cousin. You know, they don't know how to spin like Ricky, but they still spun that junk.
I don't have a license or a permit. How am I supposed to spin it?
She don't even got a license.
How am I supposed to spin it?
Bro, we ain't even had no time to show you what we ordered. We done smacked on this junk.
No, you done smacked on that junk.
Let's not talk about that.
I'm still eating mine.
Alright, y'all, so we leaving Buffalo Wild Wings right now, but y'all can see like it's really storming. It's so cold, I can't even talk. I'm about to start my junk up. Y'all see everybody else how they park. Y'all see how I park. I feel like I need to make my scat louder. It's not loud enough. What y'all think I should get? Y'all think I should get my rear mufflers deleted and put some 5-inch tips on that boy? But yeah, this is my parking spot. Away from everybody else. Ugh. I should have worn some boots. I'm over here wearing Yeezys and junk. Ooh, it is cold. Let me go pick them up real quick. Y'all probably gonna call me crazy for driving my car. I do not care at all. Cause on a red eye, I'ma ride that red eye like a demon. I wonder if they gonna come outside. Is they coming? Yup. You said what?
We should go into Red Lobster, take the buns, and then come back out.
And go boom gang they junk.
Boot gang.
But
What
y'all,
does boot gang mean?
when you take something and run away. But y'all, look at the road.
But like, why is it boot gang?
Because
Like you
your
all
boots.
wearing boots?
Bro, I don't know. I think
gang?
it's boonk. It's boonk.
Oh, boonk.
Boonk gang.
Boonk gang.
Boonk.
Who
Boonk.
made that word? What?
But y'all, look how
I'm
terrible.
about to say hi to them. Yeah.
That boy showing off for the camera.
Record right, say hi to them.
Say hi, Raina. Did he say something, Raina? Back up. You're not even looking.
Oh, there's another one.
Yo, look how terrible it is outside now that it focus. I might let go home. I ain't gonna count. Oh crap, we're spinning.
Oh shit.
Alright, yo, so as y'all can see, it snowed just about everything. Like it's not snowing no more. Daddy parked in the garage. I'm about to clean this boy tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie. And then, yeah, but I don't really got much to record. We did a lot of stuff today. I just cleaned out the, I shouldn't have grabbed it by the wing. Y'all gonna talk about me for that, but yeah. I just cleaned out the inside a little bit. Cleaned the mess, vacuumed it out. You know, I keep my car clean all the time. I see a little piece of dirt, I'm going to clean it. But yeah, as y'all see, I got the sunroof. Let me close this. But yeah, that's pretty much for this video. As y'all see, I got the Scatpack logo on the ground. If you watched that one video, everything I got from Amazon for my Scatpack video. Oh, let me put this lock on here. You know, I don't trust nobody. People crazy. Alright, y'all. So this the next morning. I just woke up. The gang just woke up too. But yeah, I'm over here. But y'all, this is what the snow look like right now. Let me show y'all what the snow look like. Y'all can see my eyes, boy. I am tired. I didn't even take a shower, and we're gonna be Gucci in the coochie, but yeah. Let's see what the snow looking like after the snow. It don't look terrible. Let's look at the backyard. Yo, so this what the backyard look like. And you can see probably it's still snowing. Tell them how you feel, Randy. This supposedly supposed to be the biggest snowstorm Michigan had already. And I'm about to go outside and shovel this probably in. And it's about to be cold and yeah, it's gonna be cold outside. I already know what I'm getting on for. Go here, edit all this. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace out.